Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another data entry work from home job lead for you. This one is in the healthcare field. We're going to dive on in. Just know the links to all the pages that I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company CareMetx. We have featured this company on this channel before. They have 139 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.4 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a data entry specialist. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only. But CareMetx is dedicated to supporting patients through their journey by providing hub services, innovative technology, and decision-making data to the pharmaceutical and biotechnology and medical device innovators. So they are basically looking for a data entry specialist to provide a service to multiple clients, including product manufacturers, physicians, patients, and internal customers. So you'll be maintaining effective systems to support the timely release of accurate information to the different clients. You'll be responsible for the intake of all program-specific correspondence, including mail, inbound fax documents, all of those types of things. You'll log the information into the appropriate database and triage all program-specific mail to the appropriate reimbursement case advocate, reimbursement specialist, or management team. So basically, you're going to enter the data, log it into the computer system, and then route it to the specific team or person it needs to go to for further processing. You'll be responsible for payer research and assignment management. Now, it says you may have to assist with inbound call volume as needed, but this job is going to be mostly non-phone data entry. You will distribute reports daily with information from the vendors. If that sounds like something you are interested in, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They're looking for somebody who has 1 year of professional work experience in some kind of customer service or healthcare environment. Above that, you've got to have great communication skills, great computer skills, somebody who has great time management skills and organizational skills, someone who can pay attention to all of those fine little details, and someone who's willing to be flexible to new situations. Now, of course, a final pay for this position was not listed in the job description and will have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but I always try to find an estimate to help you gauge, is this a job worth your time applying? And based on Glassdoor, a data entry specialist at CareMetx makes anywhere from $41,000 a year up to $43,000 a year. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave anything specific in the comments that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. And if you ever have any feedback or suggestions for me on how I can make this channel better, things I could do differently, feel free to leave those in the comment as well. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.